Good morning, one and all. On behalf of Government of Gujarat, iHub and DPIIT Government of India, Startup India, I would like to welcome all of you. It's a very distinguished panel, the august presence of Honorable Minister, Honorable Secretary, Principal Secretary, Joint Secretary, all of the guests are present here to inaugurate the National Toy Innovation Meet. As all of you know, this is a critical agenda for innovation and entrepreneurship movement in this country. I will also welcome all the innovators, entrepreneurs, students, startups, universities, MSMEs, toy industry personals, and stakeholders in the innovation and startup ecosystem. This is a special occasion for launching the National Innovation Meet on toy. This is first of its kind initiative. May I now request Sri N. Nagarajan, Director of Higher Education and Honorary Executive Director of iHub, to give the welcome address.
Thank you, Hiranmai. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome an August gathering for the National Toy Innovation Meet. I am glad to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Vijay Rupani, who has extended a very warm support to this program, and he has conveyed his good wishes to all of us. I am glad to welcome Honorable Education Minister, Shri Bhupendra Singh Chudasama ji, who has been a source of inspiration and support for innovation and startups in Gujarat. I extend a very warm welcome to Shri Guru Prasad Mahapatra Sahib, who is leading the DPIIT Department of Government of India, and his support to this National Toy Innovation Meet and inspiration we all look forward to. I am glad to welcome respected Principal Secretary Higher and Technical Education Anju Sharma Madam to this program, who is also the chairperson of iHub and leading the startup and innovation movement, especially in higher educational institutions in Gujarat. I am glad to welcome Sri Anil Agrawal, Joint Secretary DPIIT, who is spearheading this innovation movement across the country. I am glad to welcome Mr. Hiranmai Mahanta, CEO iHub, Mr. R. Jaswant, CEO Fun School India, for joining us today in this very plenary session of this National Toy Innovation Meet. Recently, Honorable Prime Minister Modi, in his Mann Ki Baat, emphasized on boosting manufacturing and global imprint of Indian toys, and urged startups and entrepreneurs to develop innovative toys and games for India and for Bharat. This will help in developing an Atmanirbhar Bharat with focus on use of technology and innovation, and to create manufacturing capacity to build quality products that will meet the global standards. 25% of India's population in the age group of 1 to 14 years. The Honorable Prime Minister underlined that the potential strength and the sizable market should be addressed by Indian companies. Gujarat especially is having an eminent role to play in this, where several toy clusters and thousands of artisans who produce indigenous toys who have not only cultural connect but also help in building life skills and psychomotor skills to the children at an early stage. Such clusters will also be able to promote innovation and creative methods. Gujarat may soon be home to the largest toy museum in the world. It is being constructed under the Bal Bhavan project of Children's University of Gujarat. More than 11 lakh toys from ancient times to modern times will be displayed here. Gujarat is the epicenter of industrial growth in India and has been witnessing double-digit GSDP growth of more than 13% in the year 2018 and 19. With this background, today's National Toy Innovation Meet provides a platform for all stakeholders to come together and discuss about the next steps of making toy as the innovation engine, a growth engine, and also building an Atmanirbhar Bharat. And I am glad to welcome, on behalf of iHub, Gujarat Government Education Department, and all the stakeholders here, the eminent panelists on this National Toy Innovation Meet. A grand welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your inspiring words, sir. May I now request Sri R. Jaswant, CEO of Fun School India, to address us.
Honorable Chief Minister Sri Vijay Rupani ji, Honorable Education Minister Sri Bhupendra Singh Chudasama ji, other dignitaries attending this inaugural session of the National Toy Innovation Meet. I thank iHub, Startup India, and the Gujarat government for inviting me to this National Toy Innovation Meet and for the opportunity to speak about the scope for innovation and for furthering the prospects of the Indian toy industry. To introduce the organization that I represent, Fun School India Limited is owned by MRF, the tie-up major, and its associates, and we are based in Chennai with 3 large manufacturing units in Goa and Ranipet. We have 2 units in Ranipet, and our first unit was in Goa. We have been in operation for nearly 33 years and have the widest distribution network for toys in India. The National Toy Innovation Meet, intended to create an interface between startups, innovators, and corporates in the toy industry, should help sow the seeds for the Indian toy industry to be a major player in the global toy industry in future. I congratulate the organizers for this wonderful initiative. The Indian toy industry offers tremendous scope for the future. At barely 0.5% of the $90 billion world toy industry currently, and with over 25% of the world's children below 12 years living in India, the toy industry is all set for exponential growth in the coming years. The challenge clearly is to create awareness about toys and in impressing among parents the need for toys in the mental development of children. India today is among the countries with the lowest per capita consumption of toys. This must change. This is an industry driven by novelty and innovation. We must develop a pool of competent toy designers. The National Institute of Design, based in Ahmedabad, is one of the few educational institutions offering toy design as an elective in the curriculum. More institutions must be encouraged to follow suit. The industry has tremendous scope to provide employment opportunities in different areas. TV, animation, and movie-based toy merchandise drive the market. We should develop competence for development of such toys to bid for worldwide licenses, and that is when we will develop as a true global player. There is a huge global market for toys, estimated at $90 billion. Developing unique generic products which have worldwide appeal will help the Indian toy industry grow faster. The growing popularity of TV animation based on Indian characters also augur well for the toy industry. The recent initiatives to promote domestic manufacturing will help in toys becoming more affordable. And that is the most critical aspect in increasing consumption of toys in India. The Prime Minister's observations in Man Ki Baat has helped create awareness about toys as never before. In the coming years, more investments are likely to flow into the industry. An Atmanirbhar toy industry could soon become a reality. We intend to work towards hand-holding artisans from traditional toy manufacturing hubs like Chennapatna near Mysore to improve the quality and distribution reach of such toys. We have already started work on this aspect. We are expanding our design and development department to build capability to introduce a higher number of toys in the domestic market. Fun School India Limited is today pleased to announce cash awards of rupees 25,000 each to the best innovative toys designed by students from Gujarat in the following 3 categories of toys: preschool, arts and crafts, and board games. We are also happy to commit commercial manufacturing with a royalty on sales payable to the students who designed the award-winning toys in each of the 3 categories. So what we're saying is we will reward the best toy designs with cash awards of 25,000, and we will also commercialize these products and pay royalties to those who come up with the designs. We will work closely with iHub to implement this contest, and I'm seriously hoping that it will really become something big. We are also studying the possibility of working closely with iHub to promote innovation and indigenous development of toys. An MOU has been drawn up and is being considered for further cementing of this proposed association. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jaswant, for sharing your valuable inputs, and also this award that you declared with iHub and Government of Gujarat. I'm sure this is going to have a lot of impact to inspire innovators and entrepreneurs in the state. May I request, we have a distinguished chief guest, Sri Guru Prasad Mahapatra ji with us, the Secretary DPIIT Government of India. Also, we have Anil Agrawal ji, Joint Secretary DPIIT Government of India. With the help of DPIIT and Startup India, along with iHub, actually, we could really get this innovation meet to a grand level. May I now request Anil Agrawal ji to say a few words.
Honorable Education Minister of the Gujarat State, Dr. Guru Prasad Mahapatra, Secretary DPI, distinguished guests, it is an honor for me to be part of this meet today. As outlined by our Honorable Prime Minister in his Mann Ki Baat program, we are trying to develop a national action plan for toys in coordination with educational institutions, industry, and the innovators. A number of programs have been drawn up. As has been stated by Mr. Jaswant, as I see, this is only the tip of the iceberg. This is the first company which is based totally in India, which is committed to getting toys designed in India, taking it right up to the innovation stage. We believe that we can do this with a number of other major toy players, Indian as well as global brands, to do the same thing. We are looking at designing of toys based on Indian values, Indian culture, Indian history, and our own yoga program. We are also looking specifically at toys and games which are available not only in English, but also in all our regional languages as they are available across the globe. I do hope that under the able guidance of our Secretary DPIIT, Sri Guru Prasad Mahapatra, we will be able to deliver tangible outcomes in this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Anil Agrawal ji. With your support and guidance, we could really get wonderful stakeholders for this National Toy Innovation Meet. A profound thank on behalf of iHub and Government of Gujarat to you and your team. May I now request Anji Sharma Madam, Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, and Chairperson iHub to address us.
Good morning, everybody. Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Bhupendra Singh Ji Chudasama, Honorable Secretary, DPIIT Government of India, Shri Guru Prasad Mahapatra Ji, Shri Anil Agrawal Ji, Vice Chancellors of Gujarat University, Children University, my colleagues, Mr. Nagarajan, and Shri Mohantan. Today is the first of its kind National Toy Innovation Meet for Atmanirbhar Bharat, in which iHub has tried to bring together the academia, the startups, and the industry together so that we can deliberate and collaborate on the issues of tapping the huge toys market, the worldwide toy market for the future. We all know that 80% of India's toy market in the past has been with the foreign manufacturers, especially the Chinese manufacturers, and to our surprise, and to anyone's surprise, even our heritage products and even our own concepts like the images of our idols and so on and so forth were being imported from China. This is a time when our Honorable Prime Minister has given a call for Atmanirbhar Bharat. And during the COVID times, Gujarat government, especially we at iHub under SSIP, have done a lot of work under the Startup and Innovation Program. And we have been able to bring the entire startup ecosystem into one umbrella called iHub. And under the efforts of SSIP, we've been able to have more than 780 IPRs. We have had around 650 plus startups, which has far exceeded the targets that we had set up for student startup and innovation policy for 5 years. And I'm sure the achievement will be much, much more, given the pace at which we are moving. Under the Mind to Market program, the iHub has started a toy innovation challenge, which was launched by Honorable Education Minister a few days back, under which we have posted several challenges for the innovators in the toy sector. We also held a online meeting of 29 design institutes in the state, bringing them together for innovating on toy designs, for coming up with innovative toy designs. And also, as Mr. Jaswant says, that it's the right time that we start having a toy design elective in the Bachelor of Design and Masters of Design curricula. So many of the institutes are moving forward in this line. But what we require is a lot of support from the industry and startups, because unless and until there is a demand from the industry, the students do not opt for these kind of electives or these kind of courses, because unless they get job potential in that, or unless they get a startup potential in that, they really don't want to get into it. So what we need is to develop the market in such a way that we are able to provide incentives to the students as well as to the innovators at large to be able to develop and harness their ideas into commercially valued products and convert a few toy startups into unicorns. So I'm sure with the kind of support the DPIIT is extending to all the stakeholders, and I must at this juncture extend special thanks to our Secretary DPIIT, Dr. Mahapatra sir, and of course Mr. Anil Agrawal, who wholeheartedly supported our initiative and have extended all possible support to make this event successful. We'll be having the whole day deliberations. We'll be having an industry panel. We'll be having an academia panel. We'll be having a startup panel also. Because unless everybody comes together, this entire yagna, as they say, the entire mission cannot be successful. And we here are collaborating with several industry also. We have sent MOUs also, and several industry have come forward. The Toy Manufacturers Association has also signed an MOU with iHub to move on this path. And I am sure in the next 3 to 4 months, with the kind of effort that is going into the development of this sector, we will see some very good, extraordinary results. And something that we had lost earlier, a long time back, we'll be able to not only recapture it back, but we'll be exporting to the entire world the toys that are manufactured in India and that are based on Indian themes. What we precisely require now is some kind of a combination between our heritage and the modern concepts. And if we are able to arrive at a fusion of the two, where we weave together the heritage, the Indian heritage, into the modern toys and games, the way they like it, and create a branding story out of it. Because as I always say, that toys are not just objects. Every toy is a story in itself. And the toy clicks only when there is a story behind it. So we are able to brand it and market it and create some Walt Disney's out of it. So that will be our great achievement. The industry also has to think a lot along this line, and I'm sure we are on the right track. Thank you all for being on this panel, especially our Honorable Minister, sir, to have spared this time, and Mahapatra, sir, to have given his precious support and time to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anju Madam, for inspiring us and giving a context how Gujarat is committed to promote innovation and startup ecosystem in the state, and now with a special focus on toy and innovation. We have our chief guest, Sri Dr. Guruprasad Mahapatraji with us, Secretary DPIIT Government of India. He, along with his team, actually helped us in a great way to conceive and execute this program at the national level. May I now request Dr. Guruprasad Mahapatraji to inspire us.
Thank you, Mr. Mahanta. Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Honorable Minister of Education for Gujarat State, Sri Bhupendra Singh Chudasama ji, my colleague for many years whom I known so well, Principal Secretary Education, Srimati Anju Sharma, my abler younger colleague, Sri Nagarajan, my colleague from the Ministry of DPIIT, Sri Anil Agarwal, Sri Jaswant, the Chief Operating Officer of Fun School India, the Vice Chancellor of Gujarat Children's University, Sri Harshad Sahaji, and distinguished participants and friends. At the outset, let me sincerely compliment iHub and Startup India to join hands with Government of Gujarat for organizing this day-long National Toy Innovation Meet. It's always expected, and reasons for expecting these are quite obvious, that Gujarat will always take lead in anything which is on the national agenda. As you all know, while we all talk about Honorable Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat, but the toy agenda was set a week before that, when the group of ministers led by Minister of Textiles, Srimati Smriti Irani ji, made a presentation on the toy agenda before the Honorable Prime Minister and almost half of the Council of Ministers. And there the group of ministers chalked out a national action plan on strengthening the toy agenda and setting a new toy agenda for the country. Honorable PM made a lot of very relevant directions and observations in that meet. And thereafter, PM did the Mann Ki Baat, which is all well known, and everything is known to now people. So where are we today, and why is toy such an important issue? As Anju very clearly said, toy is not merely an object. If it were an object, children will never catch it. A toy represents an idea, a toy represents a dream, a toy represents a concept. That is how from time to time we will have different toys which catch the imagination of the whole country, of the whole world, are bought in millions. And then within a month, when that concept dies down and the idea gets jaded, though nobody buys those toys. And whereas some toys are eternally relevant, some toys are always popular, some toys have very limited geographical popularity. Popularity is confined to a particular region, particular language, particular state, particular gender, particular age groups. So it's a very, very complex product which has a distinctive psychology associated with the product. Amidst all this, we see the huge market. The global size is known, it's more than 100 billion plus US dollars. India is a very, very small, paltry percentage of that entire global production is India, though India has tremendous potential. And we are largely dependent on China. Why in the Ministry of Commerce and Industries we woke up to the toy issue was basically wanted to curb cheaper imports of toys coming to India. That's how DPI got involved. We proposed to raise the basic customs duty that was raised. But that itself will not be a dampener on imports from China. That itself will not promote the toy industry in China. We have Fun School here, one of the pioneering toy manufacturers in the country, and they know how difficult it is to break the Chinese stranglehold and to promote the toy agenda. But after the last Mann Ki Baat, now toys have occupied the center stage of India's agenda. There is a group of ministers which is constantly reviewing it. Various tasks have been assigned to various ministries in the central government. and we expect the state is ultimately where the action lies. No matter what all planning we do, unless Gujarat picks it up, unless Maharashtra picks it up, unless Tamil Nadu picks it up, unless Assam picks it up, we will not be able to succeed in our mission to not only enhance our manufacturing capability, but also to use India as a hub for exports. So with this background, we are now, a multi-pronged action plan has been launched in Government of India. Yesterday, the Textile Minister had a almost more than 2 hours review meeting with various ministries of the central government. Luckily, we have 4 to 5 leading secretaries who are associated with the toy agenda from the Gujarat cadre itself. Anita Karwal in the school education, she plays a major role. That department will play a major role. A.K. Sharma at MSME will play a very major role. They have a major role to play. I am here in DPIIT and Commerce, so that itself will be a major contributor to this entire toy agenda. What we need to do is we'll soon share this entire toy agenda with all the state governments for your guidance. States like Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, they have all announced their toy policy. If the toy policy is not so specifically announced, I would request Anju, along with Manoj Das from the Industrial Department, you have recently launched the Gujarat Industrial Policy. Just see whether that industrial policy has a focus on toys or not. If it is not there, then with the Honorable Chief Minister's support and Honorable Minister of Education's presence here, I am sure it would not be difficult to highlight the areas in the toy policy that needs to get the recognition of the state government and the full might of the state government. We have another states conference on this issue on 18th, where Gujarat will also be participating in that. And I'm sure we will work together in the times to come. And I will going through the various programs today. It's a very relevant one. How do you promote Atmanirbhar and strengthen the Indian toy industry? How do you promote the startup and make them play a major role in driving the toy agenda? And also, how does India gain leadership in the toy market in the whole world? So that's where the challenge is. And I'm sure we'll gain a lot from this interaction today. I once again thank Anju for inviting us and associating with your first National Toy Innovation Meet. I'm sure this will encourage many other states to promote similar activities there. And we'll continue to work together. And let me assure you, Anju and the Honorable Minister, that Government of India will fully back the state government in its endeavor to promote the toy agenda and make Gujarat rightfully the manufacturing hub of the country. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mahapatra, for sparing your valuable words and inspiring us. As per the advices that you have given to us, we'll certainly work with these things and create a dedicated process and pedagogy to take it forward. May I now request the Honorable Education Minister of Government of Gujarat, Sri Upendra Singh Chudasama ji, who has been one of the strong pillars of the entire student innovation and startup movement in the state of Gujarat, and inspiring all of us to realize the dream of Honorable Prime Minister on Startup India. May I request Honorable Minister Sri Chudasama ji to address us.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, श्रीमान गुरु महापात्र जी, बहन अंजू बहन, श्रीमान अनिल अग्रवाल जी, श्रीमान आर जसवंत जी, भाई नागराजन, हर्षद भाई, हिमांशु भाई और महंता जी, जुड़े हुए सभी मेहमान और साथी, सभी लोगों ने मन की बात का जिक्र किया है। मन की बात में ही प्रधानमंत्री जी ने गुजरात में चिल्ड्रन यूनिवर्सिटी को ये असाइनमेंट भी दिया है और एक टॉय म्यूजियम बनाने का भी तय किया है जिसका मैं और अंजू बहन फॉलो अप कर रहे हैं अरशद भाई के साथ। यहीं से आत्मनिर्भर की बात शुरू हो रही है। किसी के ध्यान में नहीं आता, वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर के ध्यान में आता है। हम सब में, दिल्ली वालों में तो बहुत लोगों को ध्यान में नहीं होगा, मगर गुरु जब यहां थे तो हमारे साथी के रूप में उनको मालूम है कि किसी के ध्यान में नहीं आता। एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कभी किसी ने सोचा होगा कि क्या काइट फेस्टिवल हो सकता है क्या? छोटी सी बात है, एक दिन का उत्सव होता है। काइट बनाने में हमारे मुसलमान भाई लोग 2-3 महीने काम करते हैं। देखते ही देखते छोटी बात को इतनी बड़ी बना दी। हम यहां पतंग उत्सव बोलते हैं उनको, काइट फेस्टिवल। It has been celebrated not in Ahmedabad. After it was declared by Honorable Chief Minister, then Chief Minister. Nowadays, it has been celebrated in Ahmedabad, in Baroda, in Surat. और गुजरात के बाहर से लोग आते हैं तो देश के बाहर से लोग भी आते हैं। आपकी जानकारी के लिए कि फायदा क्या हुआ, ये छोटी सी बात का फायदा इतना हुआ कि बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड काइट फेस्टिवल, द टर्नओवर, द बिजनेस वाज ओनली 30 करोड़ रुपीस, ओनली 30 करोड़ रुपीस। और हमारे जो मुसलमान भाई 2-3 महीने बनाते थे, अभी the turnover has been increased by 300 crores. ताजुब हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? 30 करोड़ में से 300 करोड़। और जो भाई 2-3 महीने काम करते थे, दिवाली के बाद 14 जनवरी तक, मगर इतनी मांग बढ़ गई, इतनी मांग बढ़ गई कि पूरा साल उनको रोजगार मिल गया। कितनी बड़ी बात हो गई, कितनी बड़ी बात हो गई। ये अभी सेटअप हो गया है गुजरात में। उनको और कहीं रोजगार ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है। ये छोटी बात खिलौने में भी है। अब तक किसी के ध्यान में नहीं आया था कि ये छोटा सा खिलौना, हम भी कभी खेले थे, हमारे लड़के के लड़के सब खेलते हैं, मगर हमारा ध्यान नहीं जाता है। ये ध्यान प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने हम सबका ध्यान खींचा है। और उसके पहले ही हमारे आदरणीय राजनाथ सिंह ने भी ये डिक्लेयर किया था कि हमें डिफेंस इंस्ट्रूमेंट में भी हमें आत्मनिर्भर होना है। मतलब ये हुआ कि खिलौने से लेकर के संरक्षण तक सभी चीजों में वी वांट टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट। अभी हम सबको मालूम है कि 80%, 80% of the demand of the world of these toys is made in China. Made in China. गुरु, मेरा अभ्यास है थोड़ा सा कि अब चाइना से लोग हट रहे हैं। Who have invested, they will withdraw their self. Who want to invest, they will change their mind. Now, India is a popular country to invest. And within India, my Gujarat is popular state to invest for all the investors of the world. और हमने नींव तो रखी है। ये नींव प्रधानमंत्री जब यहां मुख्यमंत्री थे तब से हमने नींव रखी हुई है। वाइब्रेंट गुजरात के तहत तब गुरु यहां थे, हमने नींव रखी है। और रेगुलरली वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट दिस वाइब्रेंट गुजरात 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 तक। पहले अकेले थे, ये वाइब्रेंट गुजरात में पूरा विश्व आज जुड़ गया है। और साथ ही साथ में देश में सर्वप्रथम हमने स्टूडेंट स्टार्टअप इनोवेशन पॉलिसी भी तय की है, सबसे पहले। और हम सबको ये कहने में खुशी है, पूरे देश को, कि हम सब मिलकर के, यहां जो दिखते हैं स्क्रीन पे, बाकी भी सब मिलकर के रेगुलरली स्टार्टअप हैकेथॉन्स, हैकेथॉन विथ इंडस्ट्री पीपल, ताकि वो क्या चाहते हैं, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मैन दे नीड। तो हम इस स्टार्टअप में हमारे युवाओं को जोड़ करके और इन सबको सुविधा देने के लिए अभी 3 महीने पहले हमारी बहन अंजू बहन, महंतो भाई, नागराजन, हिमांशु भाई, सबने मिलकर 60 करोड़ की लागत से आईबी हब भवन हम बना रहे हैं। पूरे गुजरात के हमारे युवा यहां आएंगे, ठहरने की भी व्यवस्था, सभी प्रकार की व्यवस्था, इंक्यूबेटर्स के लिए, रहने के लिए, रिसर्च के लिए, संशोधन के लिए, सभी व्यवस्था। और इसीलिए तो आप सबको मालूम है कि स्टार्टअप में गुजरात 18-19 और 19-20 में देश में सबसे पहले नंबर पर आया है। तो गुजरात के लिए ये टॉय इनोवेशन मीट एक टर्निंग पॉइंट भी साबित हो सकता है कि हम उस तरफ जा सकते हैं। गुजरात चिल्ड्रन यूनिवर्सिटी ने भी यहां इनिशिएटिव लिया है। बहन ने बताया कि माइंड टू मार्केट टॉय इनोवेशन चैलेंज का भी ऐसे ही हमने एक वेबिनार किया था। इस वेबिनार में मैं 3-4 टिप्स देना चाहता हूं कि हम टॉय म्यूजियम खड़ा करें, टॉय सिलेबस भी हम तैयार कर सकते हैं, साइंस फेयर में भी चिल्ड्रन टॉय फेयर बच्चों ने बनाया हुआ, इंडस्ट्री ने बनाया हुआ। गुरु ने अच्छी बात की कि उम्र जब बढ़ती है तब छोटे बच्चों के लिए, उसके बड़े भाई के लिए, उसके बड़ी बहन के लिए, जब उम्र बढ़ती है तो दे लाइक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टॉय। और जैसे मॉडल होता है ना, मॉडल कार में मॉडल होता है, कार में ये 18 का मॉडल है, ये 19 का मॉडल है, तो क्या ये लेटेस्ट टॉय का मॉडल हो सकता है क्या? दिस इज अ टॉय ऑफ 19, पहले कभी नहीं बना था ऐसा टॉय। गरीब लोगों के भी लिए, मध्यम लोगों के लिए भी और रिच पीपल के लिए भी 3 प्रकार के टॉय भी हमें बनाने हैं। और इस काम में लगने के लिए एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ने भी तय किया है। वेस्ट में से बेस्ट बना सकते हैं, हमारा स्वभाव है। वेस्ट कागज में से, वेस्ट कोई भी चीज हो उसको जोड़ करके कोई तिरंगा बनाता है, कोई पक्षी बनाता है, कोई कुछ न कुछ बनाता है, वेस्ट में से बेस्ट। तो ये हमारे इंक्यूबेटर्स में यही सेंस रिसर्च से पैदा करना हम चाहते हैं। कोई मेहमान आता है तो हम मोमेंटो देते हैं, मोमेंटो देते हैं। क्या ऐसा कोई टॉय हमारे गुजरात का कोई धार्मिक स्थल, कोई लोथल, कोई धोलावीरा, कोई पावागढ़, अभी जहां मैं बैठा हूं आप देखते हैं पीछे, ऐसा मोमेंटो वो खिलौने में से भी अच्छा बन सकता है। और उसके लिए विद्यार्थियों में, युवाओं में जो इमेजिनेशन जो है वो भी हम आगे कर सकते हैं। ऐसा इनोवेशन मीट करने के लिए मैं आई हब को बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं, बधाई करता हूं। और गुरु को और जसवंत जी को और अनिल अग्रवाल को मैं खास न्योता देता हूं कि आप दिवाली के बाद आइए और केसी जी में अभी जो हम आई हब का काम कर रहे हैं, ये फॉर्मल नहीं है, ये आग्रह से मेरी विनती है आपको, आग्रह से, कि नए साल में हम मिलना भी हो जाएगा और आप देखने के बाद, हमारा आई हब देखने के बाद मैं दावे के साथ कहता हूं कि पूरे देश में आप कहेंगे कि जैसे गुजरात ने आई हब बनाया है, सब केंद्र को सूचना देकर राज्यों में भी बनाना है। और अभी तो समय है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर टेक्नोलॉजी के आधार पर देश को पूरे विश्व में आगे ले जाना चाहते हैं, तो यही एक तरीका है, ये साधन है जिसका हम उपयोग कर रहे हैं। हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए मैं सबका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। और ये आपने ही बताया कि आफ्टर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मेंशन इन मन की बात, दिस इज द फर्स्ट innovation meet in the country. We hope more and more innovation meet will be held. Thank you very much. Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat, Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister, for your inspiring words. May I now request iHub team to virtually launch this innovation meet in presence of distinguished guests today. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words and inspiring us. We would now like to have the special blessings from Honorable Chief Minister Vijay Bhai Rupani. He has blessed us for this first of its kind National Toy Innovation Meet. We would like to have special blessing from Honorable Chief Minister, sir.
नमस्कार। देश में पहली बार गुजरात की धरती पर आयोजित हो रहे नेशनल टॉय इनोवेशन समिट के इस कार्यक्रम में मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूं। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आज का ये कार्यक्रम भारतीय टॉय मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर को एक नई दिशा देंगे। साथियों, आज भारत एक ज्ञान आधारित अर्थव्यवस्था की ओर आगे बढ़ रहा है। अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूत बनाने के लिए भारत का आत्मनिर्भर होना बहुत जरूरी है। प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी ने आत्मनिर्भर भारत का हमारे सामने संकल्प रखा है। नेशनल टॉय इनोवेशन समिट हमारे इस संकल्प को मजबूत करने की दिशा में एक बड़ा कदम है। मुझे याद है हाल ही में मन की बात कार्यक्रम में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कहा था कि भारत को खिलौना की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। उनके इस दूरंदर्शी विचार ने न केवल हमें टॉय मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए प्रेरित किया है, बल्कि भारतीय टॉय मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में एक नया जोश भी दिया है। साथियों, इस कार्यक्रम के दौरान हमें इस विषय पर भी जरूरी चर्चा करनी चाहिए कि वैश्विक खिलौना बाजार में हमारी हिस्सेदारी को कैसे बढ़ाया जाए। यह हमारे लिए चिंता का विषय होना चाहिए, क्योंकि $500 मिलियन वाले विशाल वैश्विक खिलौना बाजार में भारत की हिस्सेदारी मात्र $90 मिलियन है। यह आंकड़ा मात्र 0.5% की हिस्सेदारी को दिखाता है। यहां तक कि भारत में बेचे जाने वाले 80% खिलौना को हम चीन से आयात करते हैं। इसलिए आज का ये कार्यक्रम भारतीय खिलौना बाजार को एक नई गति और नई दिशा देने वाला बने और उससे हम आत्मनिर्भर बने, ऐसी हमारी कामना है। भारत को खिलौने का वैश्विक बाजार बनाने के लिए गुजरात भी पूरा तरह से तैयार है। गुजरात पहले से ही कई टॉय ग्रुप्स और हजारों खिलौना कारीगर का घर है। हमें गर्व है कि हमारा राज्य स्वदेशी रूप से खिलौना का उत्पादन करते हैं। आप सभी जानते हैं कि गुजरात भारत के औद्योगिक विकास का एक केंद्र है, लेकिन अब हमारा उद्देश्य है कि खिलौना के निर्माण के लिए भी गुजरात को अव्वल नंबर बनाए। गुजरात में प्लास्टिक के सामान, लकड़ी, रबर, विशेष मेटल्स जैसे कच्चे उत्पादन का पर्याप्त उपलब्धता भी खिलौना निर्माताओं के लिए आसानी से उनकी जरूरत पूरी करेगा। साथियों, इस मंच के माध्यम से आज मैं आप सभी के सामने एक बहुत ही गर्व का विषय रखने जा रहा हूं। मुझे आप सभी को ये बताते हुए भी खुशी हो रही है कि गुजरात में चिल्ड्रन यूनिवर्सिटी द्वारा बाल भवन परियोजना के तहत दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टॉय म्यूजियम भी बनने वाला है। इस म्यूजियम में प्राचीन समय से लेकर आधुनिक समय तक 11 लाख से ज्यादा खिलौना को प्रदर्शित किया जाएगा। लगभग 1500 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से बनने वाला इस परियोजना के लिए हमें 30 एकड़ जमीन भी आवंटित कर दी है। इसका निर्माण कार्य भी शुरू होने वाला है। मैं एक बार इस समिट की सफलता की कामना करता हूं और साथ ही आशा रखता हूं कि आज का ये समिट भारत देश को वैश्विक शिखर तक पहुंचाने के लिए हमारे उद्देश्य में सहायक सिद्ध होगा। ये आज का हम सब संकल्प करें। सबको धन्यवाद। जय जय गरवी गुजरात। भारत माता की जय।
We are grateful for the blessings from Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat. He has blessed us, inspired us, and given a roadmap how we could leverage this toy innovation meet at the beginning and carry forward the long vision and achieve the targets. May I now request Chief Mentor iHub, Professor Himanshu Pandya, to sum up the session.
Good morning, Namaskar. It's been a pleasure to conclude this particular session where we are going to create a community to the home of innovators, those who are specially working for the toy development and manufacture. Param Shraddheya Mukhyamantri Shri, Param Adaraniya Shikshan Mantri Shri, respected Dr. Guru Prasad Mohapatra, respected Shri Anil Agarwal Ji, R. Jaswant Ji, respected Madam Anju Sharma, and dear participants. When we say toy is not a medium, it's not an object, it's expression of ideas. We need to understand the basics of the requirement and temperament of the consumer. I'm sure with this particular deliberation and inaugural session where Dr. Mohapatra has elaborated how the government is keen and sincere about the policy making and framework of the ideas and how we can globally compete with the manufacture of the toys in the country. I assure on behalf of iHub that the role of institution like us would be monumental, because we have to create a pool where we can expand the public pool to the innovations. Now, it's not the question of developing or producing something, but the acceptability is also very important. When you say the partnership between formal and informal, the academia should play a bigger role. And I'm sure with the encouragement and motivation of Honorable Education Minister and Principal Secretary Higher and Technical Education, we'll be leading in toy manufacturing with the support of CEO like Mr. R. Jaswant, Fun School, and many more. I'm sure with this particular national network, we'll be able to feed the local players also, but we need to take care of legal frameworks and laws and policies regarding to this particular manufacture. With this particular establishment, we are going to have a futuristic approach with the local demand and our Indian values in mind. I wish you all the good luck, all the very best of this toy manufacture summit for a day. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.